historically, when we've built reverse osmosis plants that require solar energy, we've needed to include batteries in the plant to give a constant source of power to the high pressure pump. Now, with the technologies we've put together on this plant, we're using special inverters that take solar energy, and without necessarily having to put it into a battery, we supply power directly to the pump. So that makes it much more cost effective than what you'd have with a traditional mains power driven plant or a solar driven desalination plant that would traditionally use batteries.